Dear students, today we will be solve some factor related math problems. Exercise 3.3. Question number 26. 3a plus 1 whole cube minus 2a minus 3 whole cube. Here 3a plus 1 consider as a and 2a minus 3 consider as b. That means a cube minus b cube. Here we will be apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. That means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a means 3a plus 1 minus b means 2a minus 3 into a square. That means 3a plus 1 whole square plus a, that means 3a plus 1 into b, that means 2a minus 3 plus b square, that means 2a minus 3 whole square. (3a plus 1 minus 2a minus minus multiply equal plus 3 into, here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square. A square means 3a whole square plus 2 into a means 3a into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square, plus here we will be multiply 3a plus 1 and 2a minus 3. At first 3a multiply with 2a minus 3, 3a multiply 2a equal 3 to the 6 a square minus 3a multiply with 3 to the 9a, then 1 multiply with 2a minus 3 plus 1 multiply with 2a, that means 2a, plus minus multiply minus 3 1 multiply equal 3, plus here we will be apply the formula of a minus b whole square. Here a square means 2a whole square minus 2 into a means 2a into b means 3 plus b square means 3 square. Subtracted value of 3a minus 2a equal a. Added value of plus 3 and 1 equal plus 4. Here square value of 3a equal 9a square. 3 to the 6 into 1 equals 6a. Square value of 1 is 1 plus 6a square. Subtracted value of minus 9a and plus 2a equal minus 7a, then minus 3 plus square value of 2a equal 4a square minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12a, plus square value of 3 is 9, a plus 4 into added value of 9a square plus 6a square plus 4a square equal 19a square. Simplify value of plus 6a minus 7a minus 12a equal minus 13a. Simplify value of 1 minus 3 plus 9 equal plus 7. Question number 27. X plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 minus 48. At first, this expression rewrite as x plus 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 3 into x plus 4, then minus 48. Here x plus 2 multiply with x plus 5. At first x multiply with x plus 5, x multiply with x, that means x square, plus x multiply with 5, that means 5x, then plus 2 multiply with x plus 5, plus 2 multiply with x, that means plus 2x, plus multiply plus equal plus 5 to the 10 into here x plus 3 multiply with x plus 4. At first x multiply with x plus 4, x multiply with x equal x square, then x multiply with plus 4, that means 4x, plus 3 multiply with x, that means plus 3x, then plus 3 multiply with plus 4, plus 3 4 the 12, minus 48. X square, added value of plus 5x and 2x equal plus 7x plus 10 into x square, added value of plus 4x and 3x equal plus 7x plus 12 minus 48. Now we consider x square plus 7x equal a. Let x square plus 7x equal a. So given expression x square plus 7x equal a, that means a plus 10 into a plus 12, then minus 48. Here a plus 10 multiply with a plus 12. At first a multiply with a plus 12, a multiply with a equal a square, plus a multiply with 12, that means 12a, then plus 10 multiply with a, that means plus 10a, then plus 10 multiply with plus 12 equal plus 120, then minus 48. A square plus added value of 12a and 10a equal 22a. Here subtracted value of 120 minus 48 equal plus 72. Here we will be apply middle term rules. At first we will be find out the factor value of 72. 72 multiplied by prime number 2 equal 36. 36 divided by 2 equal 18. So obtain factor, multiply and make two numbers whose their sum or subtraction value equal to the midterm. Here two number is 2 to the 4 and 18. Now we can write a square plus 18a plus 4a plus 72. At first two terms we can take common value as a. After taking common value we can write a plus 18. Then next two term, here common value is plus 4. After taking common value we can write a plus 18. This expression common value as a plus 18. Then we can write a plus 4. Now value of a, putting here, value of a is x square plus 7x, then plus 18 into value of a, x square plus 7x plus 4. Question number 28, x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 7 minus 65. At first, this expression rewrite as x minus 1 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x minus 5, then minus 65. Now x minus 1 multiply with x minus 7. At first, x multiply with x minus 7. X multiply x equal x square. Then x multiply with minus 7, that means minus 7x. Minus 1 multiply with x, that means minus x. Minus multiply minus, plus 1 multiply 7 equals 7. Here x minus 3 multiply with x minus 5. At first, x multiply with x minus 5. X multiply with x, that means x square. Then x multiply with minus 5, that means 5x. Then minus 3 multiply with x, that means minus 3x. Then minus multiply minus, plus 3 multiply 5 equal 15. Then minus 65. X square, added value of minus 7x and minus 1x equal minus 8x, then plus 7 into x square, added value of minus 5x and minus 3x equal minus 8x, plus 15 minus 65. Here x square minus 8x considered as a. Let x square minus 8x equal a. So given expression x square minus 8x equal a, that means a plus 7 into a plus 15, then minus 65. Now a plus 7 multiply with a plus 15. At first, a multiply with a plus 15. A multiply with a, that means a square, plus a multiply with 15, 15a, then plus 7 multiply with a, that means plus 7a, plus multiply plus 7 15 the 105, then minus 65 equal a square, added value of 15 plus 7 a equal plus 22a, subtracted value of 105 minus 65 equal plus 40. Here we will be apply the middle term rules. At first, we will be find out the factor value of 40. 40 divided by prime number 2 equal 20. Now obtain factors, multiply and make two numbers whose their sum or subtracted value equal to middle term. Here two number is 2 and 20. So we can write a square plus 20a plus 2a, then plus 40. First two terms we can take a as a common value. After taking common value, we can write a plus 20. Next two terms we can take 2 as a common value. After taking common value, we can write a plus 20. This expression common value is a plus 20. Then we can write a plus 2. Now value of a putting here. Value of a is x square minus 8x, then plus 20 into x square minus 8x, then plus 2.